What's going on, world? It's aurifitness in a building, and I'm here on YouTube to talk to you about the shadow ban that is going on Instagram. Today is September 26th, and I got unshadowbanned yesterday on September 25th. My ban started on September 9th, so it has been 2 for 2. I've been shadow banned for 2 weeks, and now the ban has been lifted. Thank God, or thanks to Instagram. So I want to tell you what I've done that helped me get out of that ban. And I did a lot of things. There's already a lot of information on Google or YouTube. I think, done it all, and nothing has worked for me until one thing. I just want to tell you what I did because it's important for you guys to know, because maybe it's because I did all those steps that the last one helped me get unbanned. So first, of course, my first reaction when I got banned was I sent a complaint where you can report a problem on Instagram. I told them, hey, my hashtags are not working anymore. I can't see my posts. I don't get as many likes as I'm used to. So the complaint didn't work because I didn't get any answer at all. You probably have done that as well. What I've done after that is I tried a shadowban tester on the internet. So the shadowban tester is looking at your hashtags from your posts and tell you if there's a hashtag that has been banned by Instagram. But all my hashtags were fine. So I went on YouTube and got information from people that were saying, hey, you should delete all your hashtags from your recent posts. And that's what I did. I deleted all of the 30 hashtags from each post I had been using. And of course, after that, nothing had changed. So what I did is also I stopped posting, liking, and commenting for 2 days. I just logged in on Instagram and just looked at the posts from my friends and answered my private messages, but I didn't comment, didn't post, and didn't like any posts from other people. After those 2 days, I made a check, posted a picture, used the hashtag, and I was still being banned. So after that, I was like, all right, I'm gonna have to listen to the other YouTubers that said that they started a promotion and that it started working again. So I was like, all right, let's do this promotion. Let's pay $5 for a post, and then I will be good to go and can be reaching a lot of people again. But unfortunately, once I started a promotion and once the promotion was over, I was still being banned. So I was kind of frustrated. And so I told myself, all right, so maybe I'm really going to have to log out of my account and just not be active and not touch Instagram at all for like 2 straight days. And that's what I did. I didn't log in on Instagram. I even deleted the app because it was really hard for me not to get on Instagram and try to engage with my followers and with the world. So that's what I did. After those 2 days, I logged back in, and I noticed that I was still being banned. So I was really getting pissed, and I was just trying to get active on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. And then all of a sudden, one of my friends I met on Twitter, he sent me a message and he told me to send a complaint on Instagram again. And he told me to send the following message. All right, I'm gonna read it. I have it on my phone here. He told me to send the following message as a report where you can report a problem. He told me to write this: hi there, comma, my Instagram is not engaging with my audience, comma, can you please fix this problem? I'm gonna repeat it again because it has worked for him and for me. Hi there, comma, my Instagram is not engaging with my audience, comma, can you please fix this problem? So apparently, maybe because the Instagram doesn't answer to the reports that have been made. So maybe it's because there's a robot that is answering and looking at the wordings that you're using, and then in order to answer you, they look at the wordings and then they give you an answer and tell you and fix the problem. They didn't even let me know that I was unbanned, because 10 minutes after I sent them that message, I made a post and used a hashtag again, and everything was fine again. I was unbanned by Instagram. pretty amazing. And maybe it's also because after like 2 weeks, let's say, all right, it was 15 days, but maybe the ban only lasts for 2 weeks, all right? So maybe it's not even because I did all those things that I just mentioned that I got unbanned. Maybe if you just wait or just communicate, engage with your followers that are already following you for 2 weeks and just post normally, not using 30 hashtags and going crazy, and maybe it will you will be unbanned after 2 weeks. Maybe it's also because I did all of those steps together, and that's what might have helped me. So I would definitely suggest you to try to send them that message I read to you, and let's see if it's going to help. Let me know in the comment section if this helped, and let me also know if it didn't help, because I want to know. I don't want to be spreading another false information here on YouTube, so I'm really wondering what has been working for you. But one fact is that this ban is not forever, so there's a way out. You will be unbanned. The question is when. So I wish you all the best. Good luck. It's time to rise and shine. It's time to hustle and grind and do the work. Let's go. Talk to you later, and follow me on Instagram, ari.fitness, or subscribe to this channel. Peace out.